Looking for sump pit installation in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to keep your basement dry. Our sump pit installation service protects your Ardrossan home from flooding, preventing costly damage. In Ardrossan, we understand the challenges of heavy rainfall and clay-rich soil. That's why Kingstree Plumbing offers specialised sump pit solutions designed for local conditions. We're your local experts, committed to providing reliable and affordable service. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pit installation in Ardrossan.